So I have been propagating. That sounds like it's really exciting, right? But I wanted to share with you all the results. Have some light on. All right. So propagating simply means to start a new plant from an existing plant. And I have a few variations going on here. I'll start with this one. This is a jade plant. It's a succulent. Here we go. And it was broken off of the original plant by one of my grandchildren. So I stuck it in some water, and this has been about 2 weeks now, maybe 3. It is actually rooted. These weren't there. It was just the stem. They're rooted and they can be planted or sold, but planted. That's the jade plant. This one took off running. It's actually ready to be planted in dirt too. But these were some wandering Jews or spiderwort plants that fell off of the mother plant, and again they just broke off with the stem, stuck them in some water, and as you can see, there are roots growing on each one. So that's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 plants there that I can start over, or what I'm going to do is just group them together and put them in a pot. I have Birkin philodendron. No, this is a pothos. This is a pothos. Again, you can see the roots. This little asparagus plant isn't producing a root as easily, so I just cut back what was there, and I'm going to start over fresh from today, so I'll see. This here is a dieffenbachia that kind of fizzled out on me, so I am trying to recoup some of its life. Just some cuttings. I planted half and I put the other half into water. So far I see some activity, but I don't see much in terms of roots yet. Oh, maybe now. It's just old foliage. So we'll check back in on that one. Again, here's another pothos. Look at those delicious roots. These were actually just clippings that fell off. Normally I would sweep them up and put them into the trash, but I said, let me try a thing. These two are my favorites. This fell off of the Moses in a cradle, and it was super tiny, and within less than, I think it's been 4 days, have roots. And today I went to the pork store. Yeah, I said pork store. To buy me some pork, and they had this beauty. This is a string of pearls that I've been trying to find in larger size, so I was allowed to get a clipping of that, and I'm just simply, the glass doesn't have to be as cute as mine, but just gonna sit it in there, and I expect to see some activity within the next 2 days. I'll let you know.